The Travis County District Attorney's Office is planning to drop murder and deadly conduct charges against an Austin police officer in the fatal shooting of a man suffering from a mental health episode in 2019.
The KVUE Defenders have confirmed that District Attorney Jose Garza plans to enter a unique agreement with Officer Karl Kyrcia that would require him to teach about his experience at the Police Training Academy in exchange for the charges being dismissed.
Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky joins us this afternoon with more on this agreement. Tony.
Hey, Mark and Jenny, this is described as a tentative agreement, and it's important to note that it is not finalized. Attorneys representing the family of Morris da Silva have been informed of this effort by Garza. The move toward dismissing the case stands in sharp contrast to how the district attorney's office handled the case against a second officer who opened fire that day. That officer, Christopher Taylor, was tried and convicted and sentenced to prison. Austin officers were called to the Spring condominium complex after 911 callers reported that a man had a knife. When they arrived, they took an elevator to a common area, and when the elevator doors opened, they immediately screamed for da Silva to drop the knife. Within moments, both Taylor and Kyrcia shot. A jury convicted Taylor last year, and a ruling on his appeal could come before the end of the year. But under this tentative agreement, Kyrcia would teach a nationally recognized program to help officers in situations dealing with people suffering a mental health episode who do not have a weapon or who do not have a firearm with them, rather than face trial. Attorneys for the da Silva family said in a statement, the father and mother of Dr. Morris da Silva are dismayed and disappointed that after a jury convicted Officer Christopher Taylor for the shooting death of their son, they have now learned the officer has cut a deal to avoid trial and accountability before a jury of ordinary citizens. The statement went on to say that the city has not done enough to address how officers use force. Garza's office would not comment today, saying that this case is still pending. The Austin Police Department also said it would not comment until the matter is finalized. Mark and Jenny.
All right, Tony, thank you for that.